Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the zoom rotation lock function in the Trace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then click on the settings button and at the project default settings section, look for the zoom rotation lock button, and to enable that function just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned yellow, the function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.